welcome back to another video with me. This is Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I wanted to show you what I received today from Michaels. Recently or lately, I've been receiving a lot of like free items and gift cards and things like that, just from different stores. So I opened my email today and I have this $90 voucher good for Michaels. So of course I'm going to use it because I love Michaels. I love Hobby Lobby as well. I love craft stores. But recently I have been doing a little bit of shopping on Michaels' website. I just purchased a sewing machine from Michaels, and then I purchased a couple of other things. Let me just go on their website and show you some of the things I bought as of lately. My sewing machine has not been delivered yet, but I think it'll be delivered tomorrow. So anyway, these are some of the things I purchased. I purchased the Cricut Easy Print or the Easy Press Mini. I don't have an iron because I don't really iron my clothes. I have a steamer that I use, like a handheld steamer. Then I have the large steamer that's in my laundry room next to my wash and dryer, which is really good for steaming and removing germs and things like that from your clothes. So I use that, and I use my handheld steamer, but I don't really iron my clothes, so I don't own an iron. So it's this Cricut Easy Press Mini, and it works just like an iron for ironing on things on t-shirts and stuff like that. And you can see I purchased some t-shirts as well to go with this Cricut Easy Press Mini. And then I have some iron-on patches that I purchased from a different website. So I'm going to use those patches along with this Cricut Easy Press Mini to make me some shirts. So I'm really excited about that. But anyway, so I got this $90 voucher from Michaels, and I'm super excited about it. So these are some of the things that I'm using the voucher on. I am ordering this acrylic pencil block, and then I'm ordering this clear. I'm ordering two of the there so you can see it. I'm ordering two of the clear baskets. Then I'm ordering some more t-shirts. I'm getting this orange one because I want to try and decorate it for Halloween. The yellow one because I really don't have anything yellow in my closet, so I thought, well, I'll get a yellow t-shirt. Gray because I wear a lot of gray. And then I got these two lanterns. They're pretty large lanterns, and I have some dark brown ones, but I wanted to get these white ones because I don't have any white ones, and I think these will go better with the aesthetics in my living room. So I went ahead and got these as well. So that's what I'm using my $90 voucher on.